Callie with Moxie Blooms and Flower Moxie, and today we're going to be showing you how to work with our acrylic tray in a different way. So we sell this acrylic tray on Flower Moxie Supply. It's incredible. It's foam free. Basically the top slides off. You fill it with water. The flowers last for a really long time. You don't have to use foam or chicken wire. And it's reusable, and then at the end you can sell it on Facebook Marketplace. I have a lot of florists buy these from me all of the time. Today I will show you how to introduce a different mechanic into it if you're wanting to create something very asymmetrical and minimalistic, which is what we're going to be doing with this. So what I have here is a pin frog. These are clear acrylic, and there's these little suction cups on the bottom. What's nice is they're clear, so they go with this acrylic tray. But if I wanted a little bit more support is why I would reach for them in this acrylic tray. So just to demonstrate how you attach them, you will have your vessels. So I have this glass vessel, and I just want to show you because we already have these set up in the tray, and actually put your water in it, which seems counterproductive, but you're gonna take your pin frog, push it down, and when you push the pin frog down, it pushes the water out and it creates a really, really good suction. So sometimes when I'm working with these, I have to get like a spoon to like break that vacuum. So this is how you will attach your pin frogs to the bottom of this acrylic tray, which Callie's already done. Okay, let's get started. So we're doing it together because it's the last video of the day and we figured it would be faster. What we're using are Freedom Roses, so we're gonna start with those. And, sorry, I don't have any reflex.
Look at all the pretty ones.
I've got the shit ones on the side. Okay. And I'm really curious about what this is gonna look like in the end. Yeah, she's gonna work on this section, don't get into mine. And we're gonna put it at different heights. I don't feel like I need to put a rose in all of the holes. Yeah, let me get started. So I mean, I'm going for like asymmetry.
Okay, me too.
So basically I'm driving it into the pin frog, and then I kind of push it at an angle to make sure that it's really perfect. And what I'm trying to avoid is on the same plane. So see how this one is on the same plane? That tells me that I need to cut it down a little bit tighter. So we're working with these Freedom Roses. I reflex them a little bit. And then we're gonna come in with the anthurium. And I created a bouquet with these first. And I'm tired of it being such that like you have to have 10 types of flowers to make a beautiful arrangement. I think you can create a beautiful impact with 2, and that's what we're doing for this. Try not to like repeat what I just did on that other pin rock. Like second verse, same as the first.
Are you putting any real low down?
I mean, is that considered real low for you?
Like
No.
touching it? I'm just...
I mean, maybe I should.
We'll see.
Well, now I'm just second guessing everything.
I'm just asking.
Calling me out in my own damn video.
Do you regret this?
Yes. These are on the same planes. Hate that.
Sorry too.
It's harder. This is horrible. We're like This is so easy and so minimalistic. I'm dying inside. Keep building. Like, I thought it would look all spontaneous. And it's not that way.
It's getting there.
If you're gonna DIY or be a florist, just get ready to second guess everything. Okay. I like your side better. Alright, I just need to come in with a few weird ones. I find that like cutting at an angle isn't so much helpful sometimes with the flower frog. Alright, here, get back. I think you're really getting into my territory.
Blunt cut. Straight here.
It's getting better. Come on.
It's the last one.
Get the hole.
Okay.
Right.
That's cool.
Here's. Alright, let's get the anthurium in.
Yeah. It's a good base.
It's good foundation. Okay. Do you want to just do the reds and not the cognac ones, or
Yeah.
should we do the cognacs?
Put it up there with it.
Just second guessing everything today. I think it's cool.
I like it. Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna cut these down because Okay, now everything's making sense. I'm gonna cut them Get all willy-nilly with yours.
How far out can I go? What are the rules?
Right. You can't have the most dramatic one. I'm gonna... Please come work for us.
It's harder than it looks.
It really is. I thought this was going to be so easy.
Yeah.
Maybe I've looked at it too long.
Let's step away for a second.
Okay, I feel like I need one
Yeah.
right here. Because you have a shorty.
Okay,
Give me a curved one.
one in the middle. Yeah.
I mean, this was really easy.
Yeah.
Okay, I like it.
That's cute.
I feel like we need a few
shorties. Corner.
that hole. The available hole. Okay. Notice I'm just putting them on your side because apparently I think my side's perfect. There we go.
That's what we'll call it. I just have to put one on your side now.
Oh, yeah. That made it.
That
That does look better. I feel, yeah. Did we just... Okay.
This isn't our first rodeo.
Okay. I like this. I really do. I think it's lovely. Okay, let's count up how much money or roses.
There are 9 on my side. How many on yours?
Okay, I started counting yours too. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, 18.
18.
And then how many anthuriums? 9.
Nice.
Okay, so we did it. That's how you do it. Takes like 5 minutes if you just do 1/2.
Right.
And then takes you another 5 minutes to judge their half. But this is very stable. You can easily pick this up, set it in the back of the car, drive slowly, add more water when you get there. You might have some sloshing, but the pin frogs are really secure. So you can create something a little bit fuller if you wanted to just green it all out, but really have some tall linear flowers to feel like it was like a growing, like kind of that meadow look that you would see on aisle markers. I would utilize the pin frogs because this is so shallow. Sometimes it's like you don't have the sidewalls to hold on to. So this is actually my first time to try the pin frogs in the acrylic tray, and it's a 10 out of 10 for me. So this probably took about 10-15 minutes. We figured this is probably about $60 to $70 worth of product. The anthurium is a little bit more expensive, and you could probably reduce the amount that we used here. This acrylic tray is a really great price. It runs around $30 to $35, especially if you buy it in sets of 3. And this is a very eco-friendly, long-lasting arrangement. This is something you wouldn't even have to do for a wedding. You could do this for your holiday party. It makes for a great tablescape on your dining room table, and you can reuse it every season. So you can bring in the pastels in the spring, the reds and the Christmas greens in the winter, the cremones and the fall leaves in the fall. So lots of opportunity with this vessel. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe. That helps small businesses like mine. Visit flowermoxie.com and Moxie Blooms. Thank you so much for joining us.